In today's video, I will walk you through how to make glow effect in Inkscape. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, launch Inkscape and open an existing project or create a new document. Select the object or text you want to add the glow effect to using the Select tool. Next, go to the Filters menu at the top. Choose Shadows and Glows, then select a glow option that fits your design. A glow will be applied to your object. Use the available settings to adjust the blur, color, opacity, and intensity until you get the look you want. For a centered glow, set the X and Y offsets to 0. You can also increase the blur for a softer glow or reduce it for a sharper effect. Once you're happy with the result, apply the effect and close the dialog. You can repeat the same process on other objects or text to create a consistent look throughout your design. And that's how to make a glow effect in Inkscape. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.